If you want to turn off TalkBack on POCO M8, here's what you can do. So first of all, I'm gonna explain how you can navigate on the phone when the TalkBack is enabled. It is quite important because the navigation is slightly changed when the TalkBack is on. So essentially, if you have any of the buttons, whether it is an option in the settings or somewhere in the menu, or it is 3 buttons that you have at the bottom of the screen, in order to use them, first you need to tap on them once in order to select them, and then double tap anywhere on the screen in order to confirm your choice. So this is how it works. Now on the other hand, if you want to use any of the gestures like swiping, scrolling, and so on, instead of using just one finger, you need to use 2 fingers. So in this case, if I want to close an app, I need to swipe up or to the left or to the right side with 2 fingers, depending on the settings that you have on your phone. But essentially, this is what I mean. So we're gonna start from the home screen, and I assume that settings are completely disabled. So first we need to go to settings, and I'm gonna also go to the app drawer because let's say you cannot find it on the home screen. So let's go to the app drawer, swipe up with 2 fingers, and with 2 fingers, once again, we need to scroll down in order to find settings. Tap on settings once and then double tap in order to confirm. Now in here we're gonna scroll down, 2 fingers of course, tap on additional settings and then double tap. And now we just have to select accessibility, so tap once and double tap on vision once and then double tap of course, tap on a TalkBack once, double tap, and now we are in the TalkBack settings, so we can tap on the switcher in here, double tap, and we need to confirm, so tap on the turn off and double tap. And finally, TalkBack is disabled and you can start using your phone or navigate on this phone just like you always did. That is pretty much it. Subscribe to my channel.